Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add a Google account on your PC. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up any type of browser you have on your PC and go to google.com. If you have logged into your Google account, you will see your profile on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on the profile on the top right hand side and click on Show More Accounts. After click it, you will see some of your accounts. If you want to sign in into these accounts, you can just go ahead and click on it and you will be signed in. But we are going to add a new account. So just go ahead and hover around or scroll a bit down and you can see Add Another Account option. Go ahead and click on Add Another Account. After that, you can see that you can add these accounts back if you have logged out of your account, or else you can see Use Another Account option. If you have another account or if you want to sign up for another account, click on Use Another Account. Now, you need to write down your email address or phone number. So after you have done that, you can just go ahead and click on Next. The next thing you want to do is write down the password to the account. After you write down the password to the account, just go ahead and click Next. If the password and the Gmail address matches, then you can add a new email address or Gmail address on Google. I hope this video about how you can add a new Gmail address on your PC was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.